Hello and welcome. My name is Eric Boscha. I am the product manager for low vision devices at HumanWare. In today's little tutorial, I will be talking about some new features offered in version 1.1 on Reveal 16. When using the Reveal 16 to read a document into contrast colors, in this example, I am in white on black, and you can change, in this mode, you can change the threshold. The threshold will widen the characters on the screen or put them thinner. So you press on the contrast dial, short press, and then you can rotate that dial and change the threshold. When you're satisfied with your threshold, you stop rotating the button and that settings will be saved for the next time you'll be using the contrast colors. Same thing for the distance viewing. When I switch to distance viewing and I'd like to use a contrast color in distance viewing, I can zoom in here in my distance viewing, change my contrast colors. I can change the threshold also by doing a short press contrast color dial. And then I can rotate that dial to adjust the contrast threshold. These values are two different values. So you have a threshold value for distance viewing and you have a threshold value for near viewing. These values are saved and will be kept. Thank you for listening.